Amanda, my love, I struggle to find the words to say that will express my love for you. Just saying I love you so much, or I love you with all my heart, doesn't even come close to letting you know how much I love you. So I ask for you to give me every day for the rest of our lives so I can show you how much I love you.
I promise to always bear the weight of being the funny one in the relationship, and I'll let you be the handy one. I love your heart and soul, and especially how easy you are on the eyes.
Can we kiss?
Little one, no! Too early, jumping the gun.
At least wait there just a
Okay.
I promise to be your best friend, your rock, and no matter how hard things get, I'll always be there to make it easier. I promise to be your partner for life. We were meant to be, baby, forever and always.
You're my forever, and I'm your always. You're an incredible dad, and I'm grateful Ryan gets to call you his bonus dad.
It is my honor and delight to declare you husband and wife. Paul, you may kiss your bride.